The mihi animas chataratole. Give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jan po, SDB. We are now in the second Sunday of Advent. If in the first Sunday we were reminded to put in our mind the end of our journey, always be focused in your mission. No, para hindi masayang ang lahat ng oras mo at lakas mo, so that everything that you are doing is towards your goal. And this is salvation. This is holiness. In everything that we are doing in this earth is going to an end towards salvation, towards God. And in this second Sunday, we are being guided by God. How are we going to make our travel, our journey, light? And this is the concept of repentance, a call for repentance, to let go of all the misery, all the burdens in our hearts, so that as we start our new journey in deepening our love and our understanding in our faith, God is telling us to remove all these burdens in us. Yung mga bit-bit natin, He is calling us to remove it. Kung kaya nga po, ito yung tinatawag sa ating Ebanghelyo, taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 3, verse 1 to 6, wherein John the Baptist is shouting in the desert. Ito yung sinisigaw ng ating celebration. In this season, the church, God is shouting for repentance, to let go of all these things in our life. Make straight your path. The crookedness, make it straight. The roughness of your being, make it smooth. How are we going to do these things? Ito po yung sinasabi sa ating unang pagbasa. The Lord is asking us, let go. Take off of the robe of misery. Take off the robe of sinfulness. Instead, allow yourself to be clothed by the glory of God. Let the love, the compassion, and the mercy of God embrace you once again. God is giving us hope by giving us another chance, a chance to renew ourselves. But here it is. The second reading is telling us very clearly, the choice is yours. You have to make a choice, a decision. What is most important to your life? Ano ba yung pinapahalagahan mo? That you are ready to sacrifice everything for it. The Lord is granting us all His graces and all His blessings. Pero hindi niya pagsisiksikan ng kanyang sarili sa atin. Lahat ng grasya niya ay nakahanda para sa atin. But all we have to do is to make a choice. We have to make a decision to let go of all this negativity, sinfulness, roughness in our hearts, so that we will be able to be embraced and filled by the grace of God. Ito nga po yung sinasabi sa ating salmong tugunan, no? Taken from Psalm 126. The Lord has done great things for us. We are filled with joy. The Lord is ready to do everything for us. The Lord is ready to fill us with joy, with all His graces and blessings. But He is waiting for our choice. The thing is, we are being called. We are being invited for repentance, for a new beginning, to unburden our hearts and our lives with all this negativity, with misery, sinfulness in us. The Lord is wanting you to offer it to Him, so that you'll be able to receive the gifts that He is ready to give to each and every one of us, that will bring us joy. So as we are continuing our journey in this Advent season, putting our hope in the wonderful grace of God, a new beginning, God is asking us to make a choice, to put all our faith in Him, all our trust in Him, by letting go of all the negativity, everything that separates us from Him, so that we will be embraced by His grace, by His love, by His presence, to bring us joy and peace. So once again, my dear friends, in this journey, in this second Sunday of Advent, the Lord is calling you for repentance. The Lord is asking what will be your choice. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.